I'm with Ruler Santana, rockin' black bandanas. I bad like a phantom. Riding, yeah, we riding, we in Atlanta.
First long form. Gonna be riding the pedal bike because the 2TO is getting worked on right now, as you know. I don't know where we're gonna go, but we'll see on the way there. Well, let's see if we can hit this. Oh, bounce. That was terrible. Holy crap. I suck at pedal biking, so. First time, just got the GoPro yesterday. So, just still getting used to settings and stuff. And, okay, so the 2.2 will be back in business hopefully by Wednesday. And I have a ton of parts coming in the mail. I have titanium bolts coming. I got a ton of new parts. I'll play the clip right now of all my mods.
Cause baby, you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all.
And then, oh, there we go. And then I just got a seat cover, and yeah, so there's titanium on the way from, what's it called? Yeah, I'll search it up right now. Oh, okay, it's from Spark Moto. Blur that out, but I got triple clamp bolts, rear 2.0 brake bolts because it only came with one, and still on all titanium. So yeah, that will be coming hopefully this week. And then I may be getting I'm either deciding between 1714s or Sumos. The reason I'm deciding kind of towards 1714s is because I ride dirt a lot and we have a ton of good trails, and I just don't really want to like not be able to do as many good dirt rides with the Sumos. Oh, watch this. All right, let's see how close I can get. Come here. Aw. Dang it. Oh my gosh, it's a Prius. Yeah. It's a Prius. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I think what I'm going to do is take my bike to the high school. And then take the long route home. Yeah. Oh. Yes, I know. The bike is flat there now. I'm gonna get a Specialized probably soon. So, or I may just conversion kit this because 2TOs are the best. What the heck are they doing? They're having a lawnmower fight. What the heck? Ooh, cowies. I'll make a video right here, Loki. Are you guys playing lawnmower battle or something?
Here, we'll show you.
You can wheelie that better in your high keep, probably.
Yes, it's so easy to freaking do.
Bro, the zero turn.
Yo, are you recording?
Huh? No. No.
He's definitely recording.
No.
I can see the freaking GoPro. Freaking.
It's off. What? Yo, I got to wheelie a freaking golf cart. That's looking kind of crazy. Or not a golf cart. Lawnmower. Okay, kind of fun. Okay, alright, so I almost looped it. That was crazy. I've ridden zero turns before, never wheelied one. That's crazy, that's the worst. Oh, you drifted. Alright, I think I'm going home now. Oh, I just ran that thing over. Holy crap. Pedal, 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 pedal. Pedal to the metal. Ah! All I do is win, 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 no matter what. The money, I can never get enough. Step up in the building. Everybody go up, down, up, down. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what to say. I was about to ride it for the first time, and then a whole golf cart full of girls popped up. So I had to wait. Oh, ready? Watch it. Watch it. Oh, dang it! I'm gonna run that crap over. Maybe I should just stick with wheelies and jumps. This is a workout though. I gotta go home and eat. Oh, probably gonna be a short video because it's pretty boring and everything. That was just me riding. Sorry for the heavy breathing too. Hopefully more videos of my Tutio. We are gonna have a first day of summer ride out. And I'm gonna video the whole thing. It's gonna be really, really cool. Oh, I wheelied that. Alright. That's the end of the video. Bruh.